Hey everyone, how are we doing? And welcome to the Be Quiet booth here at CES 2020, where we're looking at some PC goodies, starting with the Dark Power Pro 12. And this is arguably one of, if not the best power supply that you can buy right now. Or I say right now, this one is launching in February because this is titanium rated. It comes in both 1200 and 1500 watt variants, and it's all fully digital, unlike some of its competition. The fan inside is 135 millimeters, but the thing that I really like, and a lot of people are doing this now, is that you get fully sleeved cables in the box, and they're all individually sleeved as well. So you don't have to run out and buy something additional. You can actually buy what is a very expensive power supply, and that's your lot. If you're after something that's still arguably just as good, but you don't want to spend quite so much money, there is a newer version of the Straight Power 11 coming out. This one is platinum rated rather than titanium rated. There's also two new coolers, the Shadow Rock 3 and the Pure Rock 2. They look pretty nice and neat actually. They're not going to have any RGB bling, you have to add that yourself, but if you're buying one of these, I don't really think that's what you're going to be going for. However, I think the star of the show is the new case. So this is called the PureBase 500DX, and as you can tell, they've not only improved airflow, you've got mesh on both the top and on the front, but you've also got addressable RGB vanes that flow through and give you a case that actually is just such a great all-round performer, because the temperatures on this should be a lot lower than the normal 500 version with all of this mesh on the front, but also it comes in around about $100, which means that you're getting a case that's a very reasonable size. It's very easy to build in. I've recently built in the PureBase 500 and I was really happy with what's on offer. But it pretty much does everything. You've even got USB-C on the front as well now, so you're paying a $20 or so premium versus the older version, but you're getting much better airflow, you're getting a case that looks fantastic, and of course you can plug it into your RGB motherboard and then sync everything up and pretty much have the best of both worlds really. You get your looks, your temperatures, all for a very good price. The question really does go out to you guys on this one. Is there anything here that really catches your eye? For me, it definitely is the case, but I'm sure this won't be the case for everybody. Yes, that's right, I'm back with the lame jokes as always. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, it helps out so much. Don't forget to get subscribed for all the content here from CES 2020, but do let me know what is your favorite and which would you be picking up in the year to come. Thanks so much for watching, I'll see you in the next one.